Galleries are a popular way of integrating images onto a website, allowing website visitors to view several images clearly at once. To add a gallery to your web page, go to the left navigation menu and click on the plus icon. Inside of the Add Widget window, scroll down to the widget that says Gallery. Click on the widget, hold the widget down, and drag it onto your web page. A blue line will appear to show where the gallery widget will be placed. Drop the gallery widget in the space where you would like the gallery to be displayed. Once you have placed the gallery widget onto your web page, the Select Images window will be displayed. Inside of the window, click on the Add Image button to open the File Manager. Here, you will be able to select the images to add to your website gallery. To upload more images into your File Manager, click on the Upload a File button. Select the images from your computer that you would like to upload into the File Manager. Then click on Open. The images will now be uploaded inside of the File Manager. To select the images for your gallery, click on the image until the blue tick appears. Once you have made your selection, click on Select. The selected gallery images will now be displayed in the Select Images window. To remove images from the gallery, click on the dustbin icon on the image you wish to remove, and then click on Yes. To rearrange the images in your gallery, hold down the image and drag it into another position. The images will now be displayed inside of the gallery widget on your web page. To edit the gallery, inside of your website builder, click on the gallery until the menu appears above it. And then click on the four windows to edit the gallery settings. Inside of the gallery layout window, you will be able to change the gallery from a grid view to a scrolling carousel view. You will be able to change how many images are displayed on each row and the padding size between each image. Once you have edited the gallery settings, click on Save. To view your gallery in the live version, go to the left navigation menu and click on the eye icon. Here you will be able to view your gallery as the website visitor will see it.